So much traffic.
What's up, YouTube?
Good morning. Today is, what is today? It's Thursday. I don't even know what day it is anymore. It's Thursday today. I have a super busy day. This is probably the busiest day I've had. Well, actually, I've had busy days, but I feel like today's busier because I have so many clients. So I'm starting, so right now I'm just kind of finishing up getting ready. So I started this morning, or I'm going to start this morning with a color retouch. Hey, guys! Oh my gosh, the dogs are being so loud. I'm going to start this morning with a color retouch to cover like gray root coverage. And we usually do a gloss because I also do like every once in a while I'll refresh some highlights. I'll do some highlights on her to just kind of bring in some dimension again. So last time, I think, not the last appointment, but the appointment before that, we did some highlights. And I don't think we did a gloss last time because I don't think that she needed it yet. So we're probably going to do a gloss today. And then I always do a moisturizing treatment on her, which is like a mask. And I don't think we're going to do a haircut. I think we're just doing the color retouch, a gloss, and mask. And then, of course, her blowout. And then after that, I have lunch because that'll take me pretty much a good part of the morning. And then I'll have lunch. And then after that, I have another color retouch, or gray retouch. And I think a gloss on her as well, because her hair had actually been really faded out. She hadn't been to me in a while, so her hair had faded out a lot, and I guess where she was going before, they didn't like really put color on her ends at all, like they didn't refresh it, so it was looking very dull and faded on the ends. So we did a gloss on her, and it looked so like, it made her hair look so healthy, like completely, like night and day difference. So she really liked that. So I think we're going to do a refresh on her gloss, because I think that's been a couple months since we did that. So it's probably time for a refresh. And then I have a haircut, which I think she's just getting a trim. She's one of my favorite clients too. She's super sweet. And then actually all of my clients today are some of my favorite clients. Like they're all a lot of fun. And easy to talk to and carry a conversation with. And then after that, I have my sister might try to come and get in so that I can do Panchitos, Dexter. We might try to do a highlight on her today if I can. I think I can. Like, I'll be squeezing her in between clients, because I have like a little 30-minute space after lunch that I could get her in and like apply the highlights and then just kind of let her process while I'm working on other people. I don't like to do that. But, you know, sisters, yeah, I think that's enough said. But, so I'm going to see if I can work her in. Hopefully she can come. If not, I'll have to do her tomorrow morning. But I kind of wanted to take tomorrow morning to go shopping, because I haven't really gotten my kids much for Christmas. So, and then after that, I have another haircut. Another 2 haircuts. So I have 3 haircuts this afternoon. So I have 5 clients in total. Well, and then 6 if you include my sister. So yeah, it's going to be super busy. And I feel like I always get more exhausted when I have multiple clients and I'm just doing like short haircuts, or haircuts in general, than if I do just like let's say 2 clients, I'm doing like a long hair color that takes a long period of time. But I think it's just like that energy that you give, like talking to different people and stuff like that. But anyway, so I'm gonna do my makeup real quick before I have to head out, and then I'll see if I can remember to record all of my clients. So I'll give you guys a little peek at my day. See ya. Okay, so I just came home for lunch. I'm going to the salon now to do my sister's hair, and then, ooh, so much traffic. weirdly. This is a tiny town, so I'm like, why are all these people here? So I'm gonna go start my sister's hair, and then I have my second client, or technically it's my second client because my sister wasn't supposed to be coming in today. So while my sister processes, or her highlights process, I'm gonna be doing my second client's gray root color retouch. So and then hopefully I can get her done pretty quickly because I just do like a 10-minute color on her. And so hopefully I can be done with her in like 45 minutes. Her hair's straight, so it's not going to be hard to blow dry. And then I have, the rest are just haircuts. So really, once I get done with my next client and my sister, it'll be easy peasy, just haircuts. So anyway, I'll show you guys what that looks like. guys, I am done for the night. It is 5:54. I finished with my sister around, I think it was 5:30 when we got done with her. So I have been working since 9:30 this morning, and it's 5:54, so until about 6. I did go home for lunch. But anyway, it was a very busy day. Like I said, I always feel like I get more tired on days that I have like more like back-to-back clients instead of like me working, for example, like on a color in the morning and then a color in the afternoon or something like that. But I mean, it was good. It was a good day. It went by pretty quickly for the most part, honestly, and everything went pretty smoothly. Like I said, I was working on my sister between all of my clients, so which actually worked out fine because I had time to have her like sitting in the sink with a hair mask for a while, so that worked out well for her. So we did a treatment, and then all my other clients went pretty smoothly. I had one client that said that I didn't need to style it for her because she wasn't really gonna do much. But I did give her like a rough blow dry, which I mean looked fine because her hair is straight anyway. So it ended up looking like nice and smooth. And what else? Everything else turned out really well. Everything went smoothly. But yeah, so today is basically my Friday. It's actually Thursday. So tomorrow I don't have any clients. So I think I'm gonna go to Amarillo. I'm gonna take my son with me and then hopefully do like some last minute shopping. Probably get my husband something and then sneak away from my son for a second and then get him something. And hopefully we can meet up with my daughter for lunch. I'm not sure. I need to find out if she's working tomorrow. But that's the plan. And then, yeah, my feet are killing me because I've been standing up all day. I didn't really get to take a break much, so. And then also I'm on my period, so that sucked. But anyway, we're done. I'm gonna go home and then I don't know see if I can throw something together for dinner or if my husband wants to go eat some tacos somewhere. So we'll see what he says. But anyways, thanks for hanging out with me today. I know I didn't show like all of my before and afters and I apologize for that, but since it was such a busy day, I was just like trying to get like people in the chair, clean up between and get them in the chair, like work on my sister. So it was a mess, but it went, for it being so kind of all over the place, it worked out fine. So but anyway, that's why I didn't get like footage of everything before and after, but I did get my sister's hair. And then but yeah, everything went well. So anyways, I'll check back with you guys later if I go have tacos somewhere or see what I make at home. And then maybe I'll show you guys what I do tomorrow when I go to Amarillo. Bye. Change of plans. My husband just called me as I was about to grab my stuff to go. And he's like, I'm on my way because he wants a haircut. So yeah, so now I'm gonna stay here and wait for him to get here and give him a haircut, which it's been a while since I cut his hair, so I guess it's only fair. But yeah, so we're gonna cut his hair and then hopefully he does want to go eat tacos. Well, we are headed to Amarillo to go shopping, do a little last minute Christmas shopping. This is the outfit, just very casual and comfortable. Yeah, I'll check in with you guys later.
That you are taking those eyeballs that you are getting on social or through your podcast, and that you are truly, you guys, it's like one of the most competitive advantages, because when you are a step for you to do in Q1, what's the most important thing for you to do? And
My YouTube video. Think anybody? Don't know. It's really close. Really heavy stuff. What's up, YouTube? Oh my God.